What's up people, this is Yash Atishay and with me is my friend Urvashi Chawla, who's a trainer, and we were shooting a video for her together. We just are done wrapping up and I was like, you've been shooting videos for what, 2 months now?
Yes, I guess.
And yeah, I've seen her grow actually. I've seen her grow in front of the camera. Initially she used to struggle a lot, she used to be not that confident. So I just wanted to understand, I wanted to share with, actually we are having this word and I was like, you know what, everyone should know this.
Yeah.
Like how did you transition from that to this?
Okay, so I think, yes, I've transitioned a lot, but yet there is a lot of scope of growth over there. But it is so much better than previous. So before that, I want to address the issue that a lot of people have about facing the camera at the first go. So I had that same fear, I was very much camera conscious. But what helped me is seeing other people shoot in front of the camera. So I started with watching Rupa, how he makes videos and how Yash is shooting for it. And because of that, I think it helped me to see that, okay, even they make mistakes sometimes. It is okay to make a mistake and not be nervous about it. And then when you have good videographers like Yash, Atishay, who help you out throughout the process. So I remember you pointing out some mistakes that I should avoid. Like one of them, when I make a mistake, I make an expression about it. So that is one thing that I need to avoid. Second thing to be comfortable is I always have a dry run before it. And I give Yash everything that I want to say so that it's clear in my mind that this is what I want to say. And the third thing that helps me is having Yash in front of the camera. So I always assume that I'm talking to Yash and not to the camera. So that also helps somewhere.
Yeah, which could be a huge thing, like.
Yes.
If you're camera conscious, you don't think you're talking to the camera, you're talking to a person.
Yes, you're talking to a person and you just try being natural, and that is something that I am currently working on, and I've been told a lot of times that why do you sound so nervous? Just talk what is in your heart. And yeah, I think the major learning that I have is not be afraid of making mistakes. Just be yourself, you be confident with your content that yes, I have something which is very useful for a lot of people and you genuinely feel about sharing it with a lot of people. So you just be natural, and I think that helps in being less camera conscious.
So I think to quickly summarize your points, things that help you to be more prepared in front of the camera, do a dry run so that you already have figured out the mistakes you might make in delivering. Have someone behind the camera or think that you're talking to a person, not to a camera. And what else? Is that all?
Yes, and one more thing I want to add here, that don't be too critical on what you are saying. So I mean, Yash has mentioned in a lot of his previous videos as well that you need not have a script ready, because if you have a script ready, then your mind is always like, no, I have not written this word, and you forget to be natural in front of the camera. So like I said, just be natural, just be yourself. It's okay if you make mistakes, and yes,
you can always edit.
Yes, there are good editors like him which won't come out in your video and it seems in one go. So just be yourself. I mean, you must have seen a lot of people, a lot of series have these bloopers.
Exactly.
So yes, even good actors make mistake in front of the camera, and it's okay. Sometimes you have to reshoot. I remember I called Yash once for a video shooting and we didn't shoot anything. All the videos were very bad, and he was so kind. He was like, don't worry, I'll come next day and we'll shoot it with a fresh mind. So it's okay. A lot of times moods also affect your camera conscious. So yes, get yourself a good editor, good videographer there.
It's actually, you're right. It's like reading a book. If you're physically exhausted, at the end of the day, you cannot read a book. The same way you cannot shoot a video as well if you're very exhausted.
And he also gives a very good pep talk when you're very nervous or when you're just like, oh, I cannot shoot. He will tell you that, hey, you can, let's figure out how. And that is very important, because no matter what you are doing, you always need someone to push you into doing that. Yes.
Alright, great.
And one more thing, he's not paying me for all these good things I'm telling about him.
That's it guys, thanks a lot for watching, and if the next time you feel conscious in front of the camera or you completely black out, remember what Urvashi said. You can follow Urvashi on Instagram, the link is in the description below, or you can follow me on Instagram because that's where all the cool kids are. And until the next time, take care.